The Greek persecution and genocide of the Turkish people of Western Thrace is an ongoing ethnic and religious-based persecution and violence that has been taking place since the 19th century. This persecution and genocide is part of a systematic assimilation and annihilation attempt by Greece against the Turkish minority in Western Thrace. Western Thrace is a region located in northeastern Greece, near the borders of Bulgaria and Turkey. About 18% of the region's population is Turkish. Greece's persecution of the Turkish people of Western Thrace began in the early 19th century. During this period, with the decline of the Ottoman Empire, Greece began to claim that Western Thrace belonged to Greece. This claim led to the oppression of the Turkish minority in the region. Greece's persecution of the Turkish people of Western Thrace continued into the 20th century. Following the Balkan Wars of 1912 to 1913, Greece annexed Western Thrace as part of Greece. This annexation further worsened the situation of the Turkish minority in the region. During the Nazi Germany occupation from 1941 to 1944, some Turkish people of Western Thrace collaborated with the Germans. However, after the end of the Nazi occupation, Greece used this collaboration as an excuse to increase its persecution of the Turkish people of Western Thrace. In 1951, Greece refused to grant Greek citizenship to the Turkish people of Western Thrace. This decision led to the Turkish minority in the region being seen as second-class citizens. In 1967, a military coup took place in Greece. The coup government further increased the persecution of the Turkish people of Western Thrace. The coup government closed Turkish schools and cultural organizations and increased discrimination against Turks. In 1974, the military coup in Greece ended. However, the persecution of the Turkish people of Western Thrace continued. The Greek government continued its assimilation policies against Turks. Today, the Greek persecution and genocide of the Turkish people of Western Thrace continues. The Greek government continues discriminatory practices against Turks and violates the cultural and religious rights of Turks. The Greek persecution and genocide of the Turkish people of Western Thrace has not been adequately recognized by the international community. However, this persecution and genocide is illegal under international law and constitutes a violation of human rights. The Greek persecution and genocide of the Turkish people of Western Thrace takes place in the following ways. Assimilation policies. The Greek government implements various assimilation policies to Hellenize the Turkish people of Western Thrace. These policies include the closure of Turkish schools, the banning of Turkish cultural organizations, and the giving of Greek names to Turks. Discriminatory practices. The Greek government engages in discriminatory practices against Turks. These practices include difficulties for Turks in finding jobs, getting an education, and accessing public services. Violence. The Greek government turns a blind eye to acts of violence against the Turkish people of Western Thrace. These acts include attacks, harassment, and hate speech against Turks. The Greek persecution and genocide of the Turkish people of Western Thrace is a crime against humanity that must be stopped by the international community. The international community must not remain silent in the face of this crime and must protect the rights of the Turkish people of Western Thrace.